Hello and welcome to MacroEdtech. We are running a 30 days revision series for upcoming UPSC Civil Service Examination Prelims 2026, and I'm talking about the paper number 2, that is CSET. So this is the day number 19 and today we will discuss some miscellaneous questions. So let's begin. Question number 1, which is very simple, asked by CSET in 2018. A train 200 meters long is moving at the rate of 40 km per hour. In how many seconds will it cross a man standing near the railway line? To solve this kind of question, we have to apply only one simple formula, d equal to speed into time, means distance equal to speed into time. And here distance is 200 meter. Because this is in meter, we will convert speed, which is 40 kilometer per hour, to meter per second. For this, we can calculate and multiply by 5 by 18. So it will become 100 divided by 9 meter per second. I hope you know about 5 by 18. It comes from when we convert kilometer into meter, 1000 divided by hour into second, 3600, and it will give 5 by 18. Now we'll put here, because we have train length 200 meter and speed 100 by 9 into time, then we will get 18 second. So this is our final answer. I know this is very simple question, but sometimes asked by UPSC. Previously they asked in 2018. So be prepared for easy question also. Now next question. Question number 2. Two trains of equal length are running in opposite directions at 72 km per hour and 108 km per hour. They cross each other in 12 seconds. One of the train crosses platform 360 meter long in 24 seconds. Find the length of each train. Because this question is based on relative speed, so first understand the concept of relative speed. When we have two trains and coming to each other in opposite direction, suppose length x and x, because in question equal length, and speed is given 72 km per hour and 108 km per hour. So in case of relative speed, it will become 108 plus 72, 180 km per hour. Why? Because in relative speed concept, when trains are coming in opposite direction, so we have to add the velocities or speed. Now we will convert into meter per second by multiplying 5 by 18, so it will become meter per second, 50 meter per second. Now the distance equal to speed into time. What will be the distance? X plus x, 2x. Speed is 50 and time is given 12 seconds. So it will become 2x equal to 600. So x is 300 meter. So length of each train is 300 meter. This is your answer. Now next question based on passage. Monoculture carries great risk. A single disease or pest can wipe out swaths of world's food production, an alarming prospect given that its growing and wealthier population will eat 70% more by 2050. The risks are magnified by the changing climate. As the planet warms and monsoon rains intensify, farmlands in Asia will flood. North America will suffer more intense droughts and crop disease will spread to new latitudes. Now understand a simple interpretation of the passage. The passage warns about the dangers of monoculture, growing only one type of crop over large areas. What is the main idea? If one disease attacks, huge food production can fail. Climate change increases this danger. Floods, droughts, and disease will worsen food security. Therefore, depending on only one crop variety is risky. The hidden message is, please focus on this, more crop and more safety. This is a core message of the passage. Now we will see one question based on this passage. Now question number 3, which is based on passage. Which of the following is the most logical, rational and crucial message given by the passage? Option A, preserving crop genetic diversity is an insurance against the effects of climate change. Option B, despite great risk, monoculture is the only way to ensure food security in world. No, we can eliminate easily because this is not only way. So we can remove option B. Now option C, more and more genetically modified crops only can save the world. No, this is also not given in passage. Option D, Asia and North America will be worst to suffer from climate change and consequent shortage of food. No, it is also not given. Even though it is given in somehow, but this is not a logical, rational, crucial message. It is not a theme of message. We have to find the logical, rational and crucial message or the central idea. So this is option number A, preserving crop genetic diversity. Diversity is main term because monoculture is not good. We have to be diversified crop. So preserving crop genetic diversity is an insurance. It's like a safety net against the effect of climate change. Now question number 4, asked by UPSC CSET examination in 2018. A person bought a refrigerator worth 22,800 with 12.5% interest compounded yearly. So please remember, it is not about simple interest. It is compounded yearly. At the end of first year, he paid 8,650 and at the end of second year, he paid 9,125. So how much will have to pay at the end of third year to clear the debt? To solve this kind of question, we don't need any kind of formula but one simple logic. At end of 1 year, there will be principal amount plus how much percentage associated with principal amount. So it will become interest. So amount for second year will be first year principal, then fraction of percentage with respect to principal. Now we'll see the correct answer. Now please try to understand what I was saying. Principal for first year is 22,800 and we have interest 12.5%. So we can write 1 by 8 in fraction. So for second year, now this principal become, or you can say new principal become old principal plus interest into principal, or we can write 22,800 plus 1 by 8 into 22,800 and we can solve it plus 1 by 8, it will become 2,850. So overall 25,650. But at the end of first year, he already paid 8,650. So we will remove it. 25,650 minus 8,650. So we will get 17,000. Now this will become principal for next year. Now new principal 17,000 plus again 1 by 8 into 17,000. So we will get 19,125 and again he paid some amount at the end of second year. So 19,125, he paid 9,125 at the end of second year. So you will get 11,250. So this is our answer. And at the end of third year, you have to pay total 11,250 as a debt. So total debt remaining 11,250. That's it for today. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask by mail info@macroedtech.com, and you can also connect with me on LinkedIn. In description, link is also available. Thank you very much.